Welcome to this video. In this video, it's a quick 3-minute video that will show you how to dominate the drone niche with Amazon. So when I'm talking about drones, I'm talking about these things that you see on the screen. I'm going to tell you how I recommend dominating this niche. And the reason I'm doing this is I've currently got an offer on, you'll see the link below, for Gaz Cooper's Rise of the Drones 2.0. This is a product, this is Gaz Cooper's product. And what I've done, you'll see all the details in the page and a full review of everything you get. You get all of the top racing drones, all of the keywords, exactly how to take advantage of them. You get loads of stuff, so do check out the page. The other thing that I'm doing, that I'm including just available through my affiliate link, you'll see the link below. So if you're watching on Facebook, you'll see the link in the box. If you're watching on YouTube, I've put the link in the description. When you go through here, you will see, I'll show you. You will see this page when you click on the button, and you can see everything that you get that will allow you to take advantage of the racing drone niche. So there's loads of stuff in there. Do check it out. As a bonus, if you actually purchase through my affiliate link, I wanted to give you something really cool. I've got a complete guide on how to take advantage of the drone niche, guiding you through the keywords. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek now as well, so you can use something. And this is really cool. You get a 10-page drone site built exactly how I recommend to actually rank. I explain how to build it up, how to rewrite the content, and it's all SEO'd correctly. So you're going to get a drone site. It's a PLR site, so you will need to edit the content, but it's not available anywhere else. The reason I'm doing this is all this stuff is really cool in this product. It will show you how to get ranked quickly on YouTube. It will also give you the top list of new drones for 2019, so you can get in there first. You also get the Amazon review articles, which you will need to be able to rewrite, to get ranked. And you also get a custom WordPress site. The reason I'm giving you a 10-page site is that if you just, and this is just the truth, okay, if you just upload the same site as everyone else, you're not going to get any results. And I know that sounds weird saying that, and you see people say, right, here's a PLR site. What I'm doing is actually giving you a 10-page PLR site and showing you how to rewrite all of the content, showing you how to space out all the content and actually categorize it so it's SEO'd and you can actually get a site that will rank. Okay, I don't see any point in avoiding the actual fact that if you just upload a site the same as everyone else's, it's just not going to work. I don't care whether you've got 70 reviews or 1,000. It's not going to work if it's just duplicate content. That said, I've got a complete guide that shows you how to write the content. The 10-page site I'm giving you is for racing drones, and I show you how to expand it, how to rewrite the content, so it will give you a head start in the niche. So check out the link below. It will give you a full review of this product, and you will get my bonuses, a complete guide on how to take advantage of the drone niche. There's not a lot of time left on the clock as well, so you want to get in, and you get that 10-page site as well, so you can get going with that. And I also show you this, so a little sneak peek. I'm on the Ubersuggest tool, just looking at racing drone key phrases. I show you how to take advantage of all these. Okay, so this is racing drones FPV, first person view. Okay, racing drone kits. These are all subsections that you can really take advantage of. You've also got like DIY drones, the ones that you can actually build yourself. I show you how to take advantage of these, and with the site I'm giving you, you can use as a template as well. You can rewrite the content, and you can use as a template when you're actually building your sites, because they will rank really well. So it's all in a complete guide. It's not a case of just getting the site and being left in the dark. I show you exactly how to build it up. And I give you a full plan of exactly how to take advantage of this niche. This is fantastic to build a site and flip, or build a site and make money, or this is the great one, build a site into an authority site. There's so many key phrases and so many subsets: quadcopters, standard drones, racing drones, DIY drones, FPV drones, drone goggles that you actually wear so you can see what's happening. You're flying your drone and you got your eye view. The beauty of it is they're all quite expensive, these racing drones, so good commission rates. So take advantage of this niche. Check out the link below. It will take you through. to this page, and you'll be able to get my full review here by watching the video, and I'll explain all of the bonuses. But take advantage of this niche, a really good one. These bonuses are coming down shortly because I don't want to give away loads and loads of sites. I'm giving away 50, which sounds like a lot. I wouldn't worry about competition. The truth is, most people won't do anything with the sites. I know that's not you watching. If you use this stuff, same with anything, it will work really well for you. So take advantage of the drones. I'm taking this down shortly, so at the minute you can still get in. Watch my full review, see what you think, and get your free site, and also get there's a guide in there that goes right into the drones niche, the keywords, the products as well, and it's a fantastic deal. So check it out before it goes, and I'll see you inside and show you how to dominate the drone niche, and you'll get the 10-page site as well, which I think you really enjoy. Cheers guys, and I'll see you inside.